Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about how to use Google Sites to make a website. In this video, we will demonstrate all the steps that are needed to make your website using Google Sites, and we will also show you how to find free templates and proceed with them. And lastly, we will also do a walkthrough of the interface. So watch this video till the end to better understand all these steps. For using Google Sites, you don't need to create a separate account on it. You can use a single Google ID across all its services, whether it is GChat, Google Docs, or Google Sites. First off, sign up with Google. It is pretty easy, so we are not demonstrating this step here. After successfully logging in or signing up, visit Google's home page. Now click on this icon at the top right corner. You will see some of Google's popular apps. Scroll down to find an app called Google Sites. But there's a chance that Google Sites will not be available in this list. So in that case, click on the More from Google button and you will be taken to the products page of Google. On this page, click here on the Browse All Products button and you will be taken down the page to Google's products list. This products list is already sorted alphabetically, so scroll down the app list and find the app called Sites. Click on it and you will be taken to Google Sites homepage. So this is your Google Sites dashboard. You can see that the interface is pretty simple. Now let's do a quick walkthrough of this interface. If you click on the hamburger icon at the top left corner, you will first see the Sites tab, which is basically your Google Sites dashboard. Next is Classic Sites, from where you can switch to the classic interface of Sites, which is the older version of Google Sites with limited features, so we recommend not to switch to the classic view. From below you can access Google's other products like Docs, Sheets, Slides, and Forms. Below you will see the tabs of Settings, Feedback, and Help. And lastly, you will also see the Google Drive tab. You can click on this Sites logo on the top left corner to come back to your dashboard at any time. Use this search bar at the top of the page to search anything across your sites and templates. Here you will find all your sites, and from this drop-down menu, you will have the options of owned by anyone, owned by me, and not owned by me. From this icon, you can change the view, and from this icon, you can sort it alphabetically. And lastly, from this icon, you can create folders to easily organize your sites. On the top of the page, there are some options. Like from this plus icon, you can start creating a new blank site. And next, you will see a template for restaurant, team, event, portfolio, and help center. But if you want to view all the template categories, click on this template gallery button and it will expand the template section. Google Sites does not have a vast variety of template categories, and also it has a very limited number of templates in each category. Like here in the personal category, there is only one template called portfolio. Below is the work category, which has 4 templates like event, help center, project, and team. Next is the small business category, which has 5 templates for dog walker, holiday party, photo portfolio, restaurant, and salon. And lastly is the education category, which has 3 templates for class, club, and student portfolio. You can proceed with any of these templates depending on your requirements, or else you can also proceed using this blank template. But in this, you will need to create your site from scratch. We are going ahead with the event template. So this is the template editor page. In a template, you can change everything, whether it is a text or image, and you will also be able to add items or elements from your own. So let's begin. You can customize this template according to your requirements and preferences by using the right sidebar which has 3 tabs like Insert, Pages, and Themes. Under the Insert tab, from here you can add a text box. From here you can upload and insert an image. And from here you can embed any content from the website. And from here you can add content from your Google Drive. Below you will see the Content Blocks section, which has different layouts for images and texts. You can add any one according to your requirement. And lastly, you will see various other options that you can add to your website, like collapsible group, table of contents, image carousel, button, divider, spacer, social links, placeholder, YouTube, calendar, map, docs, slides, sheets, forums, and charts. You can add any of these elements by just dragging and dropping them to your desired position on the website. The second tab is Pages. Here you will see all the pages that are already available in this template. If you click on any page, then the relevant page will open in the editor and you can start editing it. Also, if you hover your cursor on any page, you will see 3 dots. If you click on it, then you have options of Make Home Page, Duplicate Page, Properties, Add Subpage, Hide from Navigation, and Delete. At the bottom, with the help of this plus icon, you can add a new page in your website. And the last one is the Themes tab. From this plus icon, you can create your own theme. And if you already have a theme, then you can upload it by using this button. Below, you will see some themes from Google. To apply any theme, just click on it, and the website content colors will be changed according to the theme. You can customize it more by clicking any color from this color palette, and from this drop down you can also customize the fonts of your website. To change any text on the website, just click on it. Delete the pseudo text and start typing your text. After typing your text, you can customize it by using the text editor toolbar above it. To change any other image, just click on it and the relevant options will appear next to it. So take your time to customize and build your website. And once you're done with the editing process, then from this icon, you can switch between desktop, mobile, and tablet view. Go through these previews, and once you're satisfied with your editing, you need to click on this publish icon and your website will go live. With this, we have completed our tutorial on how to use Google Sites to make a website. This brings this video to an end. We truly hope you've benefited from it. If you have any suggestions or you want us to make a video on any specific topic, feel free to comment below. We will see you soon in our next video. Till then, stay tuned and stay subscribed to our channel.